Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to save money on your TradingView subscription this year, you're in the right place. I've got the latest 2025 promo codes and discount strategies that actually work. Whether you're upgrading to Pro, Pro Plus, Premium, or just want to lock in a better price, these tips could save you a serious chunk. So here are some of the top TradingView promo codes right now. TradingView 10, 10% off your first subscription. TradeSmart 15, 15% off your plan, valid for a variety of tiers. Chart Pro 20, 20% off on Pro Plus or Premium annual plans. Easter sale 2025. According to Reddit users, this gives you up to 70% off during certain seasonal sales. Summer Bank 2024, $15 off, reported to work on some subscription types. While we thrift beyond coupon codes, here are a few smart strategies to maximize your savings. Go annual. Paying yearly is more cost-effective than monthly, and many promo codes apply to annual billing. Use referral credits. TradingView's referral program gives you a $15 credit when someone signs up using your link, or you can use someone else's link. Pinify watch for seasonal sales. Big events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or even Easter often bring the deepest discounts. Pinify, here's how to apply a promo code. Go to TradingView's pricing page, select your plan, choose annual if you can, and then paste your code into the promo code field at checkout. If you used a referral link, make sure that's applied too. Some deals stack. If one code doesn't work, don't worry. Try another one. These offers come and go, so it's good to test a couple, especially for different plan tiers. And if you sign up using a link from someone, you might get a better deal plus a referral bonus. All right, that's it. If you want to lock in the best TradingView deal for 2025, check the link in the description, apply one of these promo codes, and get the premium plan you need without paying full price. If this video helped, please like, subscribe for more deal and trading tips, and drop a comment below. What plan are you going for? Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium? Happy charting, and I'll see you in the next video.